the jungle where the wild roots grow, a bold little bean with a story untold. Bitter like the night, strong as the sea, a taste of the wild, untamed and free. Oh, liberica, dark and deep, wake my soul from the longest sleep. With every sip, I taste the wild, raw and rich, untamed, unstyled. And the sun's fierce light, you stand your ground, you fight your fight. Not for the faint, not for the mild, you're the fire in the heart of the untamed child. Oh, liberica, dark and deep, wake my soul from the longest sleep. With every sip, I taste the wild, raw and rich, untamed, unstyled. A cup of that bitter dream, a wild embrace, bold and extreme. Liberica, I drink to thee, a fearless heart forever free. Freedom flies. So pour me a cup of that bitter dream, a wild embrace, bold and extreme. Liberica, I drink to thee, a fearless heart forever free.